I think we'll go for a walk around the loch now that the rain's off. Whether it'll stay off or no, who knows. But let's go and see. Stop record. Yeah, down the steps, still a bit windy. Well, breezy we'll call it. Yeah, because of the breeze, at least it's drying out the path. You wouldn't know it had been raining 20 minutes ago. Path looking dry, but the decking doesn't look so dry. Palm trees are looking strong, looks like they're thriving. Almost scared to walk in this decking in case I landed my ass. A couple of nice wee trees seem to be flourishing as well. Nice wee acer tree at the back. Looking over at the wee waterfall. Stop record. Stop recording. The water's looking a wee bit cleaner now from what we're fighting. There's a waterfall thing anyway. The cleaner, still a bit of slime lying about. Nothing to what it was a few weeks ago. The stuff that's here looks to be dispersing a good bit now. Thank God for that. You can see from the path round here that it's been a bit wetter, but nothing too drastic. There you can see the wee coot. Aye. Osmo Action 5. It's even the swans are there with the young.
Aye.
You didn't need to go that close.
I get to go for 11, but I don't. Oh, you. Well, I don't. Oh, that's my tell. Like. Hey,
yeah. Come on, Ruby, this way.
Took a wee time lapse on it the other day.
Well, I've done a couple of time lapses this week for